Jason's a registered real estate agent. He's interested in getting listings. Getting sellers to list with him is proving to be challenging. Jason's tried everything. He's knocked on doors. He's tried flyers, but is now lost in a sea of ads. He talks to friends and family about listing their property, but they all want him to do it for free. He is so lost and spending so much money, he doesn't know what to do. Now he comes across iBidBroker.com. He sets up a profile, puts up information about himself, then starts looking for properties. He finds 3 properties that he knows he can sell. He clicks on each property, makes a payment for the bid, and now submits a sealed proposal to each person. 24 hours later, one of the homeowners responds, wanting to make an appointment to sign a listing agreement. Jason now puts up a for sale sign on the property. It sells. He makes a ton of money. The seller gives him a 5-star rating, and Jason comes back on iBidBroker.com and bids on 10 properties. Jason's finally doing what he loves doing best: selling real estate. iBidBroker.com.